Not sure where to start with your next assignment? UVic Libraries subject guides are here to help. Keep watching to learn what subject guides are, where to find them, and how to use them. Subject guides are collections of subject-specific research tools that are put together by UVic Libraries' team of subject librarians. Whether you're taking a class in a new subject or finishing up the last class of your major, subject guides can help you find what you need to do research for your assignments and make the writing and citation process easier. You can locate UVic Libraries subject guides from the homepage of the library website. Under the Research Help tab, click Subject Guides and follow the link to browse the guides alphabetically by subject or by type. Depending on the subject guide, you'll find links to databases for finding journal articles, books, ebooks, and reference sources, research, writing, and citation help, primary sources, and more library services relevant to your subject area. For example, to write a well-organized and well-researched final linguistics paper, I can start by going to the Linguistics Subject Guide, watching the welcome video from the Linguistics Subject Librarian, browsing some subject-specific encyclopedias to help narrow down my topic, and using some of the linguistics-focused databases to find journal articles. I'll use the subject guide to get started and know that I can always contact the subject librarian, whose contact information is provided on the left side of every guide, if I get stuck or need more help. Have questions? Email askus@uvic.ca. We are here to help.